Which was the first newspaper in India? Answer is option D, Bengal Gazette. Friends, Hickey's Bengal Gazette was the first English language newspaper published on the Indian subcontinent. It was founded in Calcutta, capital of British India at the time, by Irishman James Augustus Hickey in 1779. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty? Answer is option B, to protect monuments and places of national importance. Friends, if you understand in detail, in the Constitution of India, fundamental duties are mentioned in Article 51A. Fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. The idea of fundamental duties was borrowed from the Russian constitution. Fundamental duties are non-justiciable in nature. Fundamental duties were added to the Indian constitution on the recommendation of the Swaransi Committee. Which coast is not a part of the western coast? Answer is option C, Coromandel Coast. Friends, the west coastal plain is about 1500 km long from Surat to Cape Comorin. This plain, which lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats, spreads from Gujarat in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Its northern part from Gujarat to Goa is called Konkan, while the southern part from Goa to Kanyakumari is known as Malabar. And friends, the east coastal plain, this broader coastal plain spreads along the Bay of Bengal from Odisha in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Its northern part is known as the Northern Circle Plains and the southern part is called Coromandel Coast. Which of the following metals is present in nature in its free state? Answer is option A, platinum. Which of the following cannot be considered as a health infrastructure indicator? Answer is option B, cost of living. Blank was independent India's first individual Olympic medalist. Answer is option A, K.D. Jadhav. Friends, if you understand in detail, K.D. Jadhav was independent India's first individual Olympic medalist. He won a bronze medal in the 1952 Helsinki, Finland Olympics in wrestling. Independent India's first Olympic medal was a gold medal won by the Indian hockey team in the 1952 Helsinki Olympics. Which of the following committee deals with BCCI reforms? Answer is option D, Lodha Committee. Friends, the Lodha Committee was appointed by the Supreme Court of India on 22nd January 2015. It is appointed to analyze and recommend implementable actions for improving the BCCI. Which committee gave suggestions regarding further strengthening the structure of regional rural banks by amending their organization and functions? Answer is option D, Dantwala Committee. Friends, the Dantwala Committee was a committee appointed by the Government of India in 1977 to suggest the institutional and conceptual framework for block planning. It was headed by Mohanlal Lallubhai Dantwala, a renowned economist. The committee submitted its report in 1978. The Dantwala Committee is primarily related to block level planning and rural credit. The right to vote is in which article of the Indian Constitution? Answer is option B, Article 326. The longest river of peninsular India is? Answer is option C, Godavari. Friends, Godavari river is one of the longest rivers in India and its total length is about 1465 kilometers. The tributaries of the Godavari are Purna, Vardha, Pranhita, Manjra, Venganga and Penganga. Godavari river is also called South Ganga or Old Ganga. Who can remove the President of India? Answer is option C, Parliament. Friends, the President can be removed from office by a process of impeachment for violation of the Constitution. The impeachment charges can be initiated by either House of Parliament. Who introduced the post of Diwan-e-Bandagan? Answer is option A, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Friends, Firoz Shah Tughlaq introduces the post of Diwan-e-Bandagan. Diwan-e-Bandagan is the department of slaves. Which painting is also called as snack painting? Answer is option D, Manjusha painting. Friends, if you understand in detail, Manjusha painting is an art form that belongs to the Bhagalpur region of Bihar. It is also known as Angika art, where Ang refers to one of the Mahajanpada. Since snack motifs are always present, it is also called snack painting. These paintings are executed on boxes of jute and paper. Economic survey is published by? Answer is option A, Ministry of Finance. Thaipusam, a religious festival celebrated in which Indian state? Answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Friends, you know the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Thaipusam is a festival celebrated by the Tamil Hindu community mainly in South India. Thaipusam festival is dedicated to Lord Muruga. Lord Muruga is the son of Shiva and Parvati. What is the meaning of SLR with respect to banking terminology? Answer is option D, statutory liquidity ratio. Who discovered the electron? Answer is option B, J. Thomson. Friends, Thomson discovered electrons for which he got Nobel Prize in 1906 AD. Electrons were accidentally discovered by J. Thomson while studying the cathode rays. The name electron was given by Stoney. Calcium oxide and water combine to form calcium hydroxide. This is an example of blank reaction. Answer is option B, both combination reaction and exothermic reaction. Which layer of atmosphere helps in radio transmission? Answer is option A, thermosphere. Name the Buddhist text that comprises rules for monks. Answer is option D, Vinaya Pitak.